Welcome to this quick tutorial. Today, I'm going to teach you the basics of HTML and show you how to view your first web page. HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. It is the language used to structure every website on the internet. No matter how modern a website looks, HTML is always the foundation. To start writing HTML, you need a code editor. You can use editors like Visual Studio Code, Notepad++, Sublime Text, or even the default Notepad on Windows. I recommend Visual Studio Code because it's simple, free, and beginner-friendly. Now let's create our first HTML file. Open your code editor and create a new file. Save it as index.html. Then type the basic HTML structure. Here's a quick breakdown. Doctype HTML tells the browser this is an HTML5 document. HTML is the main container of the web page. Head includes important information like the title. Body contains all the visible content of your website. Now, let's see the output. Simply go to the folder where you saved index.html, right-click the file, and select Open with any browser like Chrome, Edge, or Firefox. Your web page will instantly appear with the text "Hello World" and the paragraph you wrote. Whenever you edit the HTML file, just save it and refresh the browser to see the updated result. That's it. You've just learned the basics of creating a web page using HTML. In upcoming lessons, we'll cover CSS, layout design, and how to build complete websites. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next tutorial.